Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Soica card to Google Wallet. First, launch the Google Wallet app on your phone. At the bottom right of the screen, tap Add to Wallet. From the available options, choose Transit Pass. Use the search bar to look up the card you want to add. If you're not in Japan, these options may not appear. You may be asked to enter card details or scan a physical card. Follow the prompts and make any required payments. Once the card is added, you can tap your phone on transit gates to pay easily while commuting in Japan. If you're not in Japan or your account region is not set to Japan, the Soica card won't show up in Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how to add Soica card to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.